In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow. Bullet points are a great way to organize information and make content easier to read on your website. Whether you're creating a feature list, outlining important details, or formatting instructions for visitors, using lists can make your design look cleaner and more professional. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding and customizing bullet points in Webflow so you can improve the structure and readability of your content. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow. Once the website loads, sign into your account and access your dashboard. This is the main workspace where all your projects are stored and managed. From here, locate the project where you want to add bullet points and open it to launch the Webflow Designer. After the designer loads, you'll be taken to the visual editing canvas where all your website elements can be created and customized. To add bullet points, you'll need to work with the list element inside Webflow. Start by opening the Add panel on the left side of the screen. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press the letter A on your keyboard to quickly open the Elements panel. Inside the Add panel, either scroll through the available elements or use the search bar to find the list element. Once you locate it, drag the element directly onto your page wherever you want the bullet list to appear. This instantly adds a list structure to your design and helps organize your content more effectively. By default, Webflow creates an unordered list, which automatically displays standard bullet points. This is perfect for most content layouts where you simply want a clean bulleted format. However, if you prefer numbered items instead, you can switch the list type by opening the Settings panel located on the right side of the workspace. From there, you can change the list style from unordered to ordered, depending on your needs. Once the list is added, you can begin entering your content. Click directly inside the list item and type your text. To create additional bullet points, simply press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard. Every time you press Enter, Webflow automatically generates a new list item for you. You can continue doing this until your entire list is complete. You can also customize the appearance of your list just like any other text element in Webflow. Adjust the font style, text size, spacing, and colors to better match your website's design and branding. And that's it. You now know how to add bullet points in Webflow quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.